Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to write captivating ad headlines for your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning business. Whether that's carpet cleaners, hardwood floor cleaners, tile cleaners, marble floor cleaners, and so on. We work with you and we specialize in one thing and one thing only, helping floor cleaners like yours get more jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How to write captivating ad headlines for your floor cleaning business. Whether it's a billboard on the side of the road, a TV ad, a newspaper ad, a Facebook post, a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, a TikTok video, whatever it is, or even if it's like on your website, you need a great attention-grabbing headline to advertise your business effectively. In this training, I'm going to share with you some psychological tricks you can use to grab your customers' attention that I've learned from years and years of advertising floor cleaning businesses like yours. The first big piece of advice that I can give you is start your hook with an attention-grabbing word and use capitals. There's a thing called NeuroLinguistic Programming. If you're interested in this stuff, do check it out. It's called NLP, and I did when I was starting this advertising agency, AGB, when I was kind of learning all the stuff that I now know. I did a lot of training around NLP and neuro-linguistic programming, and this is about programming the brain to do something, or almost planting a seed in someone's head by using things like words and stuff like that, sort of trigger words and things. And so you can leverage this in your advertising, in your hooks and your headlines when you're trying to advertise and market your floor cleaning business. And so on the screen here you can see 3 examples. The first one says look in capital letters, exclamation mark, wow, or quick. When someone sees look in block capitals, you're almost immediately sort of like pre-programming that person's brain to like look at the offer, to look at your ad, or like wow is like sensational, like wow, look at that, wow, that's in capital letters, and it pops off the page like wow. Immediately it grabs someone's attention that there's something wow here, something sensational here. And these people, because it's language and we know what words mean, and our brain is hardwired to have a response to certain types of words, because words are connected to emotions. So like when we say here like a swear word, that's obviously someone that's angry or annoyed. When we see that in an email, when someone's swearing or certain words are used, we know that that person's unhappy, and that triggers an emotional response inside our brains, which then triggers the response in terms of their email response, right? So when you use words, they are a trigger to emotions and a trigger for actions. So when you tell someone to look in block capital letters, the brain is immediately going to look like what the next part says and look at your ad. Wow is, like I said, it's almost, wow, look at that, like a sensational thing. So again, immediately your brain is hardwired to go and check that surprising thing out, that wow thing. But with quick, that's like almost like a survival type response, like a fight or flight kind of thing. Do you know, you've got to be like quick, like you like run, go quick. So when somebody sees that, it's like, oh my God, it almost creates like a sense of panic, like a fear of missing out. So by starting your hook, your headline like that, block capitals, with a word like look or wow or quick, you are basically psychologically triggering the brain to check out this ad, to check out what you're offering, to check out your business. So that's the first hack when coming up with a captivating headlines for your floor cleaning business. And then what you want to do is you want to follow that word, that psychological word, that look, that wow, that quick, You want to follow that with either a pain point or an offer. So let me give you an example with a pain point example. Wow, no more smelly carpets. Somebody reading that's triggering that pain point. Maybe they've got dogs or whatever and the carpets smell really, really like horrible. And so basically by saying that, you're triggering that emotional response in their head, like wow, like imagining like what it would be like, wow to have like no more smelly carpets. Then that triggers an emotion in their brain, and that will trigger them to take a next step, because maybe they have that problem themselves, smelly carpets, and in here we're almost programming them like wow, amazing, what that's going to feel like when that's no longer an issue, should we say. So that's like one way of really grabbing someone's attention and getting them to take a next step with your business. And then the other one is to actually put an offer in there, so like quick, so that creates that sense of panic that you need to jump on this, it's ending soon. And again, we follow that with specials ending soon or quick. And you could actually put a value-based offer there, $120, 3 rooms and a hallway, quick. This price is going to go soon. And people are like, oh my God, that's an amazing price. I better click on this, because like if I don't, I'm going to miss out on it. So those are 2 examples of what to follow that kind of psychological opener with, either a pain point to kind of trigger those emotions, or an actual special, an actual deal. You could use any of those. You could use like the wow and the special, like, wow, and that creates a feeling of like wow, that's an amazing offer, 3 rooms for X dollars, or like look, oh my God, like wow, that's an amazing offer, so look, or quick, like it's going to end soon. So that initial opener in the block capitals elicits that psychological reaction in the brain, followed by the trigger, either the actual offer itself or like highlighting the pain point and what it's going to be like when that pain point, when that problem is solved, like no more smelly carpets, for example. And then the other trick that you can use is to use a combination of capitals, upper and lowercase letters and words. It is scientifically proven to focus the reader's attention. So if you were to just use all lowercase, like the words might not register in the person's brain because it's just all the same, and it can be quite boring. Like even if it's like all capitals, just because it's all the same, might not register. But if you have like a mixture of letters that are capitalized, words that are capitalized, lowercase, because it kind of goes up and down like that, it forces your brain, has to work harder to read it, and therefore it takes the information in on a deeper level psychologically. So use a combination of upper and lowercase words and letters in the headline. And you can actually see I've done this as an example here, and I've wrote it is in lowercase, scientifically proven in capitals to focus the focus letters, just the letter F is just capitalized, the rest is lowercase, the reader's attention. And what you can again do, this all goes down to NeuroLinguistic Programming, right, in terms of like basically hypnotizing people, yeah, to like do what you want or whatever, or to like get a point or a message across on a deeper level in someone's brain. The words that you capitalize and the letters that you capitalize, what you want to do is those words want to be the most important ones, the ones that you really want to drive the message home, okay? So like scientifically proven. When it comes to like selling, that's like one of the big things that a lot of products and brands talk about, right? This is scientifically proven to work. It's a sales angle. So you want that to be capital letters so that it jumps off the page. This is a scientifically proven system, okay, to focus. And again, that capital letter is just there. And again, that just helps etch that on the person's brain. The readers, so that's the person, like you guys. And again, attention is a word, it's a trigger word, right, to get someone's attention. So psychologically, that's commanding someone's attention, and we put it into capital letters as well. So you can use a combination of these things. So let's summarize everything that we have learned in this video. Start with an attention grabbing word and use capitals like look, wow, quick. That psychological impact of that on the brain basically makes people sit up and take notice. Follow that with either a pain point example or an offer. So with a pain point, you're talking about, the solution and what the end result might be or feel like wow, no more smelly carpets. With an offer, offer. We can talk about like give it a price point, like 3 rooms for X dollars, or we can just say 20% off till July, quick and soon, and that creates a feeling of panic and a fear of missing out. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters and words. It's scientifically proven to focus the reader's attention when the words go up and down like this rather than just in a straight line. So using capital words, capital letters, lowercase words, and a combination of all of those things is what is really going to help to etch your hook into people's minds and get them to take a next step. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to book a call and get more information. See you on the next video, guys. Laters.